We started in 2015, and the reason why we started the Asian Community Development Council is to educate, connect, and empower our community. We have over close to 400,000 Asian and Asian Pacific Islander in Nevada. So we started out doing voter registration because we noticed our community didn't have a voice. When we register people to vote, especially when we go to the back of the house, some of the large casinos, we noticed a lot of them are permanent resident for 10 years, 20 years, but never became citizen. So I noticed one of the challenges we have was healthcare. And so last year we opened Healthy Asian and Pacific Islander, we call it HAPPY. So I tell people, I say, well, ACDC, we rock in this community, but we also have the health to make sure that they're healthy and happy, right? So that was important because 81% of our community are either underinsured or uninsured. So we want to make sure we have healthcare for them with doctors that speak their language and understand their culture. Then we started with other service too. We have Health Navigator to make sure our community get health insurance. When the pandemic hit, we quickly changed to service that our community need, like the food distribution. When we first got food donated to us, it was great, but they were donating cheese and milk, which really didn't coincide with our nutrition needs. So then we started a food distribution. We do the food drop-off. And that was when we have like rice and vegetables and meat that our community are used to. But even when I tell people, one thing about Asian, we're not a monolith. So we had to make sure that we had food that really served them. And that was really a blessing because we were hit hard during the pandemic. And making sure that our community had resources and how important we did the food distribution, drop-off, vaccine, and flu shot at the same time.
Education is key, and we have learned that through the ACDC partnership as our community partner, we always have that opportunity to talk to the different population that we serve. So we give them information. Very important to have the background on why we need to have immunization, why certain age or any of the vulnerable population of the community should get vaccinated.
I think we make a huge difference. We show that within 2 years, we're giving out 2 million pounds of food for our community. That tells you what we do. When we were the one that gave out 150 COVID anti-test kits to the community, that was important. But I think the most important thing that the community knew that we were there to help them, that we have these free service, and they were so thankful. I think before the pandemic, our community wouldn't ask for help. If it's housing issue they had, if they had food issue or health issue, they would keep quiet, right? But because of what we did for the last few years, we open up and say, we're here for you, and this service that we do, we fight hard to get grants to make sure we can serve you, right? So that trusted messenger is really important. And then when there's any issue comes up, the elected official will come to us and how can we help and how can we support? If it's the anti-Asian hate crime that we are going through, they were there to help and support and get the message out that will not be tolerated. And having that is really important for our community. It's almost 30 years, I've been here 29 years already. It has changed and the community has grown, but we haven't had service to keep up with that, with our community, and now we do.